Problem number 7 uses that, problem number 4 uses that same general idea of a normal distribution, because it does say that for this award, they're normally distributed. And so it says the top 7% are the people that are recognized. So again, the way a normal distribution works, you got your mean here in the middle, all your average folks. And then on this side, you got the people who are above average. And over here, you have the people who are below average. So the top 7%, again, this is not drawn to scale, okay, are going to be these guys right here. So the top 7%, think about it for a second. If the top 7% are in this direction, then what that's really telling you is that 100% minus 7%, that's telling you that the rest of us, average folks are over here, 93% of us are over here. So when we're calculating a z-score, remember that the z-score tells you the area that is below a certain function. So we're actually going to be able to use Excel to do the calculations for this, but it's important that you understand where the 93 came from in my notes, because even though it says the top 7%, the way a z-score works is we're looking for who is like below that amount. So that means we want the 93% of us that weren't as good, as this 7% right here. So that's where the 93% came from. So when I type it into Excel, dun, 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 it's a real nice formula. Told you Excel is amazing. You're literally just going to type it in there. It's going to give you that, which tells you that that's 1.48 standard. Once you put it in here and you round it, it gives you 1.478 standard deviations above the mean. I kind of rushed through that because I'm hoping by now if we're on week 6, you know what I'm talking about with Excel. If you don't, please, I beg you, go to some of my earlier things. But then I've also included for you a link to a video in the notes too that explains what this function needs as well. So the final answer would have to be that 1.48 standard deviations above the mean to be publicly recognized.